Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I finally got the apartment to the point where it's worth showing. Before it was just completely empty, so I wasn't even gonna show that off. But yeah, this is my front door. So as soon as we go that way, you're gonna see the apartment. Just so we don't even have a couch or a TV stand. I got my desk. That's really all you need, right? Online entrepreneur. What else do I need, really? Okay, so this is the bathroom. Ton of skincare. We got a little bamboo matching, I don't know what these are called. Trinkets, right? Something like that. There's not too much to see in there. The shower over there and a toilet to get rid of body waste. And so this is what you see when you walk in. I'm trying to keep me in it. Lindsay set up this cute little entry 3-tiered shelf. It's got, why can't I think of the name of that? Salt Lake. No, what the hell is that called? Why can't I think of it? I'm gonna look like an idiot after when I watch this because I know what that's called. Lindsay! Salt lamp. Salt lamp. That's what it was. Tarot cards, bunch of cool stuff. And then, can I flip this? I can't flip it. See, I'm stuck now. I was thinking I could flip it around. Okay, so you walk in, that's the entrance. If you go that way, that's the bathroom. And then right here, you walk in, that's the kitchen. Bam. We have this really cool island right here. So I'll show you in a second. There's stools on the other side and you could walk around. But first, right here, you have a little wooden cutting board, which we didn't realize when we bought this place, but we didn't buy it, we're renting it. But the floor is like the exact same color as the cutting board we already bought, which is really cool. And then kind of give you an overview of the kitchen. You can see it way better if we go like that. Pretty cool. All new appliances, so it's really nice. I guess we gotta go in the fridge, right? What do I eat? What does Paul Savage eat? Right now it's pretty empty for the most part, but let's start over here. What do we got? My kombucha. You guys know I love kombucha. Ton of coconut water. Sprouted grain bread, super good for you. Hot sauce. Oh, you can't even see that. Hot sauce, pickles, mayo, and sauerkraut. That stuff's not super good for you, but it's delicious. All of those things. And then we got, you guys know I'm vegan, so oat milk. We got, what is that? I think that is like what kind of yogurt is that? Coconut or something? Carrots and hummus, of course, the delicious snack. And then I just kind of got like, sometimes you go a little crazy, get some mock meats and some stuff that's not super healthy, but it's delicious. Tofu, cauliflower. This is really what I eat a lot of. Fruit. And then I gotta make sure you guys can even see what I'm pointing at. There we go. Then here, this is kale. I've already used half of it. Reusable bags, save the planet. We got some peppers in there. Oh, and this is like my favorite part, which is funny. Brita water filter. Oh my God, water tastes so good after using that. Water's already really good out here. And using that, just keeping it cold. Freezer, we got some quick stuff, 2 burritos, pizza crust, and then up top we have frozen vegan corn dogs, 7 grain waffles, some frozen fruit, of course the ice maker is overflowing because I forgot to shut it. Wow, I'm not even pointing at what I'm doing. You could really tell I've been on my game lately. Forgot how to use the camera. Forgot how to point this thing. Okay. Now check it out. There is the desk. Okay. And then we also, check this out. Look at my new chair in this rug. Could that match better? I don't think it could, honestly. No, it's kind of funny. Right before I made this video, let's go in live time. Look at what I was doing on my computer. Pull up Chrome. Okay, of course it's Jungle Scout. You guys know me. I'm actually doing some product research right now. Yeah, so normally, I'll have to do this again, but like that's where the couch would go and the TV's just on the ground. So we gotta figure that out. been looking around, haven't really found anything we like. And then Lindsay's doing something in here, so I don't really need to show you that area. But it's kind of bland over there. It's just the bed and there's nothing else in there. And then the closet. It's a walk-in closet, which is pretty cool. Lindsay's still unpacking, so we'll leave her alone. Close the door. And then, right here, we have a very nice balcony. Okay, so we're coming out. And my favorite area is back that way. It's so pretty over there. When it's not cloudy over there, you could actually see the what are they? The Olympic Mountain Cascades. So that's really cool. I think I called those the right things. And we got this patio furniture, which is nice. Matches our deck. Just like this black metal set. Cheers. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That took 6 minutes, so it's a pretty good video. Wi-Fi got set up yesterday, so I could actually like, oh my god, what are you doing? I can actually make videos like this now, like upload longer videos. Before I was just like uploading on my phone, whatever internet service I had. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. I will be back. Let's see, what's today? Today's Saturday. Let's shoot for Monday for regular uploads. Still have some stuff to do tomorrow, so I'm not gonna upload. Definitely wanted to show you guys the apartment. Oh, know what I should show you? Of course, knowing me, could I get silverware? No, I gotta break the trends of society and get blackware. So, and stainless steel reusable straws. Do you guys know that Amazon has free, at least where I am, free 1-day delivery now? That's insane. It's free next day delivery now. I think that might just be in certain metros, but I ordered a ton of stuff and I just saw it in a newspaper actually at a coffee shop. They had such a profitable quarter, last quarter one, that they're switching to free 1-day delivery. How insane is that? That's blew my mind. So obviously a good time to be getting into Amazon. People can get free delivery of your products tomorrow. Insane. So I'll be back up. Lighting got really weird. I'll be back up on Monday, and you can see I'm doing product research right now. By the way, my products are selling really good. They're both, one's number 4 on page 1 and one is number 5 on page 1. Totally 2 different products, but they're launched. They're doing awesome. So I'm gonna I've been looking for new ones. Can't wait to get back to you guys. I have not been able to answer any emails, which has been a crazy week. So if you are one of my patrons, sorry I haven't been able to get back to you. Haven't been able to do any calls. Monday, I'll be back. I'll be doing some tutorial videos. We'll be back on Amazon FBA grind. Can't wait for that, so I'll see you guys then.